welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely fantastic condition Jaguar XF. It's the R Sport, finished in Italian Firenze red. It is absolutely stunning paintwork. It's got front park distance control, R Sport body styling kit, alloy wheels, all on Goodyear tyres. Tells you something about how well it's been maintained. The paintwork, absolutely stunning. It's got a rear park distance control, reverse camera, there's not a mark on it really. Boot area is in fantastic condition, even with a boot protector. R Sport R Sport half leather, half Alcantara with the red stitch piping seats, electric windows, electric mirrors. Car does not look or drive anything like its mileage or age. It's got cruise control. Just start it up. It's 88,197 miles. It's got reverse camera, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, climate control, all the air vents open and close. Love that about these cars. Thought that was taken. There you go. Glove box with the handbook, cup holders, USB and aux, reverse camera. Really is in stunning condition. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.